Hi there, Miss Soto here. I just wanted to get you guys going on Teams and make sure that you know how to navigate your way around without any complication or stress. So the first thing I want to show you today is how to find Teams. Many of you guys have already found Teams through Clever, or you've used Teams in your classroom, but perhaps some students haven't had a chance to get on to Teams and log on to Teams, and you're feeling a little bit concerned because a lot of your schoolwork is now on Teams. So the first thing that I want to show you, and yes, I'm on my daughter's Tyla's account, so I can show you from a student perspective, is your Office 365 screen. So on your Office 365 screen, you're going to find a bunch of icons. Outlook is your email. There's Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote notebook, which some classrooms use and others don't. And then here's Teams right over here. Teams is going to be where you can find all of your classrooms. The next thing I want to show you is down on the bottom, you can find any of the files that you've been working on down here on the bottom. So some people might go into Teams and say, what the heck happened to my work? I had it done, but it's not there anymore. You might go check down on your recent assignments. I bet you'll find your most recent assignment with your work on it if you did complete that work. All right, let's go on to Teams. So I'm going to press the Teams icon here. Wait for it to load. All right, I'm here. So this is just like being in school, because what you're going to find is all of your different classrooms. Tyla is in Miss Erickson's Avid class here with a fantastic picture of William Shakespeare. Good job, Miss Erickson. She's in Mrs. Smith's Science, period 1 here, and Miss Aretta's 4th period here. These are just like walking into one of your classrooms at school. So we're going to walk into Mrs. Science, Mrs. Smith's Science, period 1. Let's go ahead and walk into that classroom. Now, when I get here, I can see that there's a lot going on. In the post section, you can see that some students are sharing some funny gifts. That happens in my classroom as well. Oh, look at this. Miss Smith has invited somebody to a Zoom meeting. You can just click there and go on to your Zoom meeting. And you can ask questions that could be answered by another student or even from Miss Smith herself. This is a great resource to collaborate with your peers about your learning and get questions answered from your teachers if you have them. At the top, you can see that there's a bunch of different sections here. There's files, class notebook. Sorry, mailman. There's files, class notebook, assignments, grades, and then your teachers might also add tabs here at the top for you to have access. I want to go into the assignments portion here. And that's where we're going to end this video. You can see all of the assigned work. Ms. Smith has 3 assignments assigned to Tyla, musical instruments, using Braille and heat transfer. And then you can see the completed assignments as well. Tyla has completed the time lapse of plant growth. So that's your introduction to Teams, how to get there from your Office 365. Once you're there, you can see all of the teams that you are currently in. Pressing on one of these icons is going to walk you into your classroom where you can collaborate with your peers, see your assignments. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to turn in an assignment and how to undo a turn in and why you might want to do that.